Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical layer. Make sure the keyboard is seated, cables intact, or the laptop lid and latch are secure. Once done, reboot Windows. A full restart often clears transient driver hangs. If the built-in keys still don't respond, plug in a USB keyboard to determine whether this is a hardware failure or a software/driver issue. Reboot directly into safe mode if Windows is unstable. Safe mode loads minimal drivers, so you can isolate the problem quickly. You now tackle software drivers and settings. Open Device Manager, expand keyboards, right-click your device and choose Uninstall, then restart to force Windows to reinstall the driver. This can fix corrupt driver issues. Next, run Windows Update and check optional updates for manufacturer keyboard or chipset drivers. Also verify ease of access, turn off filter keys, and disable the touch keyboard if not needed, because accessibility toggles can block or remap input unexpectedly. You finish with system repairs and hardware diagnostics. Run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair corrupt system files that might block keyboard services. Once complete, restart and retest. If problems began after a specific Windows update, roll back that update or use system restore to a known working point. Finally, run the laptop vendor's hardware diagnostics. If tests show physical failure, schedule a keyboard replacement or service. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, reseat the ribbon cable. Loose connectors cause most partial failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.